just showing you guys a little thing I did with the StrataScratch comments. Yeah, essentially I followed the tutorial on how to scrape YouTube, and then I took it a little bit further. I got all of the comments from StrataScratch that existed, and then I said, hey, since there's more stuff you can get with the YouTube API, why don't I check and see what the commenters have been up to as far as what they've been subscribing to. So the last 50 activities, which are similar to subscriptions, essentially. It's also if you upload a video. Going around, I basically just took all that, put it together, because I was like, hey, what channels have the subscribers all, or the commenters all subscribed to similarly? So I was like, cool, let's do that. And then we got this over here. There's lots of overlap. Obviously, 109 all subscribed to StrataScratch. This is their last 50 activities, by the way. And then I was like, all right, cool. What else have they subscribed to? Well, 23 of them have subscribed to Free Code Camp, StatQuest with Josh Dahmer. These are all learning how to code sites for the most part. There's one interesting one that I saw that's a little bit strange, the Veritasium here. That's a little bit, that's not quite a coding site. I think it's a math site or just like questions about math sort of stuff. I'm not entirely sure, but I kind of looked at it and it wasn't exactly a here's how you code, here's how you learn data science site. So that's kind of interesting. And then I was like, well, hey, like let's look at the things that not everyone's subscribing to, that at least 2 people have subscribed to. There's 427 different things where at least 2 people have subscribed to them, but no more than 2. They're kind of interesting. The Weekend, there's 2 people that subscribe to The Weekend. There's 2 people that do Psych2Go. Smarter Every Day is interesting. The design course. So these are just things that people that have subscribed or that have commented on StrataScratch are also interested in. Fung Brothers, I do not know what that is. The Grade. So that's kind of some stuff, but it was like, all right, so these are all the people that have commented. What if we just narrow it down to just the StrataScratch subscribers? And we looked at that. Kind of similar pretty much. Veritasium as well. Ken G, a lot of the same people. These are just 6. I mean, that goes all the way down, but this is obviously the most popular is Free Code Camp. And you can keep on going down. So then I was like, all right, cool. Of the commenters, who is the biggest commenter? Who comments the most? And so I went through the comments, got all those, which I'd already gotten, and I took a look. And I put them in order. This top one's StrataScratch. You can't actually see it. They comment the most on the channel, which is cool. You know, that makes sense. Getting back to people. I figured it would be kind of weird to have people's names up here. So I just kind of kept their channel ID. But yeah, you can see there's definitely a difference. I could graph this out, but it's a little quicker and easier to look at it this way. And there's a whole bunch of people that have commented at least 5 times. These are not just subscribers. These are also just people, just anyone who's commented. But yeah, these are the things they do. And then I kind of was like, hey, let's have a little fun since I know how to use Spacey and how to do some NLP. Let's just see what kind of words are used here. So these are the comments. The top words listed are thank, video, use, things like that. Kind of go all the way down here. And then also, what are the top orgs that Spacey identifies as organizations? Well, StrataScratch is one. That's cool. SQL, API, DS, IL. I don't think that's reasonable. A lot of this stuff is kind of funny. Year month. That's weird. Facebook, GitHub, Amazon. That's a solid one. What else do we have? We have product, top products. Here's ML, Python, Snowflake. It's kind of interesting. Bayes theorem is a product. Kind of a weird, tough one to sell these days. As everyone can just look it up. But anyway, these sorts of things. Hive, Green, Plum, Snowflake. I don't know what that is. We got top people. We got Nate, mentioned the most. Tina's in there. Leak Code, Dude, was mentioned a lot. Nate Keep. Nicole Verma. I don't know a lot of these names here, but work of art. That's always fun. The YouTube API is a work of art according to Spacey NLP Analyzer. Just different little fun things to look at. The frequently FAC in descriptions. I forget what that is, FAC, but just different things going on here. But yeah, kind of did all this fun stuff. NORP in descriptions, don't know what that is either. So you can kind of see just some of the different words that were used mostly here. And maybe that could be extrapolated into something more useful. But yeah, that's what I did to further the YouTube scraping from StrataScratch thing.